Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to put your Nintendo Switch Lite into sleep mode. It's the easiest way to save battery without fully powering it off. Let's get started. Method 1. Using the power button. Press the power button once quickly. This will put the console into sleep mode, where the screen turns off but your game stays paused. No need to hold it down, just a quick press. If you want to wake it up, just press the power button again. Method 2. From the home menu. Press the home button on your Joy-Con or Pro controller to go to the home menu. Select the power icon in the lower right corner of the screen. Choose sleep mode from the options. The console will then enter sleep mode safely without closing your games. That's it. Your Nintendo Switch Lite is now in sleep mode. If you have any questions or need more Switch tips, feel free to leave a comment below.